Mental rehearsal for smooth speech, your superpower for communication. In our last video, we talked about mental rehearsal, that amazing superpower you have to practice anything in your mind. Today, we're going to explore how mental rehearsal can be especially helpful for speaking. And this isn't just for people who stutter. It can be helpful for anyone who wants to feel more confident and comfortable in any speaking situation, whether it's giving a presentation, ordering food at a restaurant, or even just talking on the phone. While our example today will focus on speaking smoothly, these techniques can be used by anyone in any speaking situation. One of the best things about mental rehearsal is that you can do it anywhere. In the car, in a classroom before class starts, in your bedroom, without being overheard or bothering others. Whenever you have a few quiet moments, you can practice your mind talks. Just like athletes visualize their moves, we can visualize ourselves speaking smoothly and confidently. We're going to practice mind talks to make our real talks easier and more comfortable. Let's walk through a mental rehearsal for speaking. First, find a quiet spot where you feel safe and relaxed. Close your eyes gently. Take a few deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. Feel your body starting to relax. Now imagine the speaking situation where you want to feel more confident. Maybe it's giving a presentation in class, ordering food at a restaurant, or just chatting with a friend. Let's imagine giving a presentation. See the classroom in your mind. Where are you standing? Where is your teacher? Where are your classmates? What colors are the walls? Maybe you notice a poster on the wall or a window looking outside. Imagine the sounds of the classroom before you begin. Maybe the rustle of papers or a quiet cough. Then imagine the sound of your own voice as you start. It's calm and steady. Now imagine how your body feels. Are your shoulders relaxed? Is your jaw loose? Is your neck comfortable? Imagine all the muscles in your face, especially around your mouth, are soft and relaxed. Your breathing is slow and natural, just like when you're resting. You are calm and confident. As you begin to speak, pay attention to how each word feels in your mouth. Imagine the sounds of the words. Pay close attention to your tongue and lips. Where does your tongue touch inside your mouth for each sound? How do your lips move? For example, for the S sound, your tongue might be behind your teeth, and for the P sound, your lips come together. Visualizing these movements can help you feel more in control of your speech. If you have strategies you use, like slowing down a little on certain words or starting a word gently, imagine yourself using them. Feel how those strategies change the way the words feel in your mouth, making them flow more easily. Imagine the air flowing smoothly through your mouth as you say each word. Now here's something really important. Sometimes, even when we practice, our words might still get a little stuck. That's totally normal. If you feel a little tension in your mouth, or if a word doesn't come out exactly how you wanted it to, imagine yourself staying calm and relaxed. Don't get worried or frustrated. Just keep going. Imagine that the audience isn't even noticing those little bumps. They're listening to what you're saying, not how you're saying it. You let go of that little hiccup and focus on your message. You know you're going to be successful. You are getting your ideas across clearly and confidently. And the more you trust in these mind talks, the more confident you'll become when you speak for real. That confidence can actually help decrease any speech tension, because when you're relaxed and confident, your words flow more easily. Imagine finishing your presentation, feeling proud and happy. See your classmates smiling and nodding. Hear your teacher saying, "Great job." Now let's think about some other speaking situations. Imagine ordering food. See yourself walking up to the counter, feeling calm and confident. Imagine saying, I'd like a please. Feel your mouth moving smoothly. Imagine the person at the counter smiling back at you. Again, pay attention in your mind to how your tongue and lips move for each word. Or imagine talking to a friend on the phone. See yourself laughing and chatting easily. Imagine the conversation flowing naturally. The more you practice these mind talks, the easier it will become to speak smoothly and confidently in real life. Remember, mental rehearsal is like building those pathways in your brain, making it easier for your words to flow. Just like any skill, mental rehearsal takes practice. Try to do it every day, even for just a few minutes. The more you use this superpower, the stronger it will become. And remember, it's okay if your speech isn't perfect every time. It's a part of how everyone talks. Most people are focusing on what you're saying, not how you're saying it. The important thing is to keep practicing, stay positive, and believe in yourself. You've got this.